and good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining our live stream. I'm Chris with WOLFGUARD IT, and on our live streams, we help business owners make sense of IT. Our topic that I wanted to talk about this time has to do with end of year end of year coming up or a new year starting, and different things that I want to encourage everyone to do. Our actual topic is 7 quick end of year IT recommendations to help keep you safe. And so these items normally would be done by your IT support company, either daily or weekly checks at a minimum. But a lot of different IT companies don't check these or might neglect to check them, or maybe you just don't have a current IT company doing these items for you. So I want to encourage everyone to be doing these, checking these. They're quick, they're easy items, but it can really save you if you find that they're not being done, and then you can get someone to do them. So the first item is, when was your backup last successful? Backing up your data. So backup software should be configured to give you alerts on when backups are successful, or even more so important, when your backups are not successful. And if no one is paying attention to those, or you want to make sure they are being paid attention to, you could get your IT to look up or run a report for you on when your last successful backup was completed, or you can log into your backup yourself and check that. When we take over IT for different companies, it's so common that we look at their backup software and we find their last successful backup is weeks or even more commonly months old. And yeah, if you need to recover something, that your last successful backup is going to be the soonest that you can, restore from. So make sure, really your backup should be successful every single time they run. If not, that they're immediately taken care of or fixed. Another item is antivirus on every computer and server. Again, we see a lot that companies usually have antivirus, but that a computer, 1, 2, maybe 3, depending on how large your organization is, computers just might not have any antivirus. Maybe they were missed, maybe it got uninstalled, removed. But yeah, make sure that every computer, including your server, has antivirus, and that it's up to date, of course. Also, check to see if your antivirus has had any detections of threats. So unless someone is watching this, it just won't be caught usually. Sometimes if it's not centrally managed, all your antivirus, then you just have to go to each computer, click on your antivirus, open it, and it should tell you if there have been any threats. So if there are threats that have been detected, have an IT person look into those and get them resolved, because it could just be that ransomware or some other type of threat has gotten on your computer. Maybe it hasn't done the damage yet, but you need to take action to get those threats removed. Every computer should have your firewall enabled. We've seen where maybe firewall was blocking something that you wanted, or you're just trying to do some troubleshooting on a piece of software and disabled your Windows firewall. But we come across a lot where computers, their built-in firewall has been disabled. Those should be enabled so they can help keep your computer safe. Also on Windows updates, make sure that, or on Windows maintenance, make sure that your Windows updates have been fully ran and installed. We see a lot of the time where updates just have not have ran. Maybe there's an error. They just haven't checked, or for whatever reason, they could be months old on the latest version of Windows. And those updates include security fixes, might address different vulnerabilities, but also drivers and optimization type of updates as well, fix issues and bugs. But those security updates, of course, are the most important. On your servers are a very critical piece of equipment that need to be running. And if anything happens to those servers, like say power supply fails, hard drive fails, anything like that, it can be pretty detrimental to business operation. So we recommend that if you have a server, make sure that you keep the server warranty up to date. With a up to date server warranty, and if one expires, a lot of manufacturers will let you extend that. So you can buy an extended Windows, or a server hardware warranty. Keep that going. But if say hard drive fails, power supply fails, then with the active warranty, you can call the manufacturer, tell them what happened, and they'll send a repair person out. Dell can send them out next business day, or even same business day, with the part and a tech, and they just get it repaired, get it replaced, and get your server back up and running again. Also, for the seventh item I have on the list here is firewall license. With today's next generation firewalls, they all require some type of active license. If they don't have a license, they can't complete different functionalities, including security. So if you don't have an active license, you can't do updates, can't fix vulnerabilities. Some firewalls will even stop a function. Can't do backups maybe, but yeah, make sure, log into your firewall, check the license area, make sure that your firewall has an active license. One bonus item that I have listed that everybody should do, because it's one of the easiest things and most impactful into keeping your systems secure, is enable multi-factor authentication. For your email, would probably be number one, and then any other type of service that you have out on the cloud. So even like Adobe licensing, or your bank website, all those different types of sites, most of them have multi-factor as an option to enable now. And like I said, it can greatly increase the security for your company and your systems. That's my list. That's the 7 plus a bonus item that I got for you. As a takeaway, though, I would like to offer everyone a ebook that we put together. It's a lot of people really like this ebook, and you can give it out to your staff, friends. Just a one sheet, but it shows one of our methods of helping you remember long, complicated passwords. If you have this randomly long, complex password, it's nice and secure, but can be very difficult to remember. So we put out this ebook that's just our secret into easily remembering those long, complicated passwords. But you can just go to the address there at the bottom and download that and give it as a handout. But I hope this was helpful for you guys, and take care.